Hey guys, it's me, and I wanted to just reach out to you guys to say that I know that a lot of you guys right now are dealing with this whole coronavirus thing. Some of you aren't even going to work right now. And, here's what I want you to do. I don't want you guys to get lazy just because you're not going to work. This is your time, especially if you're trying to build a note business. It's time for you to hit it and hit it hard. You've got the time right now. You got people sitting around their houses. They're checking their voicemails, their emails. They're checking their Facebook pages a lot more than they ever do when they're working. So this is your time to get out there and start making some waves. Start making a name for yourself. Start reaching out to people. I want you to start telling people what you're doing, how you're investing in notes and how that's working out for you, and look at some of the opportunities that are right out there, right underneath your nose right now. This is not the time to get lazy. This is the time to get busy. So I want to see you guys getting busy. I'm going to recommend it. I certainly am getting busy. And you know what? If you guys don't want me to put distance between you and me, then you're going to need to keep up. Put on your running shoes, put on your track shoes, because I'm not joking around. This is the real deal, and I'm hitting it, and I'm hitting it hard. Are you? If you're not hitting it hard, then you need to be asking yourself, why not? This is your time. Okay? Go for it. Don't be a wuss. Go for it. This is your time, all right? Get out there and talk to people about investing in mortgage notes. Make yourself some videos now about investing in mortgage notes. Get your YouTube channel set up right now. Get your Facebook business page set up right now. This is your time. Don't mess around with this. Opportunities like this don't come very often, but it's here now. And I know you've got the time, and I know you've got the will. I just now need you to just go ahead and have the discipline. Just get it done. All right. That's all I wanted to do. And I'm talking to you guys right now. And I want you guys to take me to heart. And I want you to don't want to have to take you to task. Okay? Just kidding, of course. I'm not going to take you to task because I'm not here to try to change your mind. I just want to really just encourage you to change your own mind and get busy. All right. God bless you guys, and I'll talk to you later.